Hey, Roach. Getting ready to do sandwiches?
Yeah, what gave you that idea?
Well, I think the big crate over there. I like the bucket on the wheelchair. That's a cool accessory.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It took me about half an hour to get number 3. Don't run him over, you just bought something.
Sorry about that. Well, driving crooked sorry.
Okay. Going to number 3?
Well, I'm going to work on 3 right now, but... Why don't I work on number 1 and you can work on 3?
Okay. Okay. Let's show them how you do it, Roach. I got you on the camera. Make a face. Alrighty. You want me to get the top latch?
No, I got it.
Okay. There you go.
Don't do it.
Oh, and I'm not taping you, Leroy.
Wow, candid camera.
No, he doesn't want to be on. Do you want to be on TV? I'm going to put this on the internet.
Oh, you going to put him on?
Yep. Not many blind men in a wheelchair who had a stroke. Hey, wave your right hand at the camera. Show him all this. That's about how much use he's got out of that. And he's totally blind.
You want to get now east?
Ron, I'm not putting that on the internet. You know how much... Oh, you're a bad boy. Fortunately, I only have 20 seconds left before I run out of footage. Yeah, at least rotate it. Show them how it works.
Okay.
The trick is you keep your hands out of the machine. Oh. Ron. Okay. And one final message before it goes.